Video coverage of IT Expo is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists. Amplify your sales today.
Hi, Rachel Ramsey here, IT Expo in Miami. I'm here with Chet Patel, the Complex Director of IT at the Swan Dolphin Resort. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Rachel, for having me.
So tell me a little bit about your role in IT for the resort.
So I basically handle all the IT infrastructure for both the resorts, anywhere from the telecommunications to the data connectivity to fiber.
Got it. Okay. And what are some of the requirements that you have to work on to keeping the resort up to date?
Infrastructure. So my current projects include infrastructure improvement. So I'm putting fiber, single mode and multi-mode fiber throughout the resort so I can bring innovative technologies to the resort.
Yeah. And what are some of the reasons that you're doing that? How are guest demands changing as mobility grows and everything like that?
So as part of hospitality and the resort, my job is to make sure that I bring the same guest experience they have in terms of Wi-Fi connectivity at home, in the resort. And as speeds get faster at home, I want to make sure I can provide the same amount of bandwidth or same level of service at the resort for the guest.
What are some other considerations? Customer demands for Wi-Fi is one of them, and internet speed. What are some other demands that you have to cater to as a resort and hospitality industry?
Well, we try to provide convenience in the resort. So some of the new things I'm working on is location-based services in the resort. So we did a brand new Cisco infrastructure, all Cisco backplane and Cisco APs in the hotel. And with that, we're working on location-based services. So my vision is, as the guest roams around the resort, and it's a huge resort, it sits on about 90 acres, and we have convention space as well. So as they sometimes do self-parking in the convention space, there's limited signage to tell them, hey, where's Blueser, where's Shula's, or where's El Molino, how do I get to the lobby? So I would like to provide an app that guides them, to the location they're trying to go.
Yeah.
Almost like geolocation, but indoor geolocation.
Cool, very cool. And you're here in Miami speaking on a panel. Can you give us some highlights on what you're going to talk about?
Yeah, I want to basically explain to my audience, what am I doing? What do I see in the trends, coming down? What's important to me? What's important to my guests? And right now it's about mobile experience and mobile connectivity. It seems like, it went from desktops to laptops, now laptops to mobile devices, and from mobile devices you see smartwatches coming out.
Yep.
So how do I make sure my infrastructure is intact to provide connectivity for all those devices? How do I bring the home experience to the resort?
Very cool. Well, thank you so much
You're
for taking the
welcome.
time to talk to us. We look forward. Enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Video coverage of IT Expo is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists. Amplify your sales today.